Hello friends, today I will show you how to install a VirtualBox in our Windows PC. We can use VirtualBox as an alternative of VPS. You know that VPS is paid service, but we can use a VirtualBox of free of cost. VirtualBox is useful for those people who are wanted to use multiple KTP accounts. To install the VirtualBox, we need to download VirtualBox software and ISO file. For download ISO file, you can use this site. I will put this site link on description section. You can download any of your favorite one from this site. I am recommending you to download 32-bit because it is smaller than 64-bit. 64-bit is a 5.4 GB, but 32-bit only 3.8 GB. I have already downloaded ISO file, so I am skipping this one. After that, you need to download VirtualBox software. For download VirtualBox software, you need to go to VirtualBox official website. This is the VirtualBox official website. Here you need to click on download, then click on Windows host. Download will be automatically. After install X file, you need to install VirtualBox software. I have already installed VirtualBox software, so I am also skipping this one. After install the VirtualBox software, the interface will be like this. First, we need to click on new. We can put any name here. I am using my channel name. In default, installed folder will be this one. We don't need to change this one. For that, we need to select our ISO file type. I am selecting Microsoft Windows. Then we need to select our Windows version. I have downloaded Windows 10 32-bit. Obviously, I need to select Windows 10 32-bit. Then click on next. Here we can select our RAM size. 1 GB RAM will be okay, but you can increase your RAM size. I am increasing my RAM size because I have 32 GB RAM in my PC. Then click on next. Keep everything default. Then click on create. Next. Okay. And then we need to click on setting. Click on advanced. Then we need to click share clipboard. We'll select bi-directional. Also, we need to select here bi-directional. Then click on OK. Then click on start. Here we need to select our Windows ISO file. We need to click on add. Then we need to select our Windows ISO file. I have already added my Windows ISO file, so I am skipping this one. Then click on start. Everybody know how to install Windows, so I am skipping this part. After installed Windows, I will resume my video. Our Windows successfully installed. Now see, this is my VirtualBox interface and this is my own PC interface. Now we need to install a guest version VirtualBox. Without install a guest edition, we can copy paste or drag any file from our PC to VirtualBox. For example, I am trying to drag a file here, not succeed. Again, I am trying to copy and paste here, again not succeed. But After install Guest Edition, we can easily drag or copy paste any file from our PC to our VirtualBox. Let's start to install a Guest Edition for our VirtualBox. To install a Guest Edition, first we need to click on Device, then click on Insert Guest Edition CD image. Guest Edition successfully insert our D drive. Let's go to our D drive. Here we can see a virtual guest edition. Now we need to click on here. Click on next, install. Then we need to reboot our PC. We need to put our password. Here, now we can easily copy paste or drag any file from our PC to our VirtualBox. You see, we can successfully drag a file from our PC to our VirtualBox. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.